Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So today is 17th of November. From today we are going to start our Hindu series, that means the must read news article. So this series is going to be for the beginners, those who just have started their preparation, don't have any idea that what to read from the newspaper. So I have already started this initiative before prelims 2020, but we have to stop it for the prelims, but now we are again start this initiative. So from today's newspaper, you have to read number 1, Nitish starts new term with 14-member team. This is from GS paper 2. Then Moderna says its vaccine is 94.5% effective. This is from GS paper 3, Science and Technology. Or you can say health issues. If you say it from GS paper 2, it's come under health. So then this is from the open page. So you don't have to read the city page or north or east. The regional pages are not important from our UPSC point of view, so you can skip these pages. So they are the important page is your editorial. So after that you got the editorial in the 6th page. Number 1, threat or treat, RCEP. This is from the GS paper 2. The right lesson from Pulwama and Balakot. This is from GS paper 3, security issues. Needed a policy framework in step with technology. This is from GS paper 3, Science and Technology. So then, fallen through the cracks, India's high economic growth has been of little value for its under acknowledged female workers. So you can say from the female workers, GS paper 1, the role of the participation or the role of women, and obviously the GS paper 2 also. Then the next page, 8th page, news page. GAIL completes Kochi-Mangaluru pipeline. So this is from obviously your GS paper 2 and of GS paper 3 infrastructure obviously, and also you can say GS paper 2 also. Both from this topic is from both the paper. Then so you don't have to read the COVID-19 patient cases on and all these, because these news are throughout the year since last 6 or 7 months. So you can skip this type of news. And obviously the political news also, you don't have to rely on the political news. Pakistan continues to raise terror charges. This is for GS paper 3, security, and obviously GS paper 2, India and neighbor relation. Then Indian students in US dropped 4.4% last year. So you can say it is from GS paper 2, Indian diaspora. And comply with FDI ceiling, government tells digital new farms. This is from GS paper 3, economy section. So now only one topic is there, world page, 13 page, Biden 6 window on vaccine plans. So it is from GS paper 2. And here Islamabad blocked off over anti-France protest. So you can read them or you can skip them. If you want to know more in detail, you can read them. It's not so much important. What's behind the conflict between Ethiopian government and Tigray rebels? So you can read them for your GS paper 2 world politics. So this is important from your GS paper 2 for especially for the mains perspective. In your business page, that means page 14, a day after RCEP, Jaishankar slams trade pacts globalization. So this is from your GS paper 3 sections, that means the economy section of trade deals. And then the next, power demand grew 7.8% in the first half of the November. So you can read them or you can skip them, but this is not so much important. But yes, this is definitely this type of data will help you in your mains answer writing. So the last page is the sports page. You don't have to read them because for UPSC preparation, sports page is not so much important. So this is from today's video. You have to read all these things, and if you want to make notes you can, but not necessarily you have to make notes. So these are the topic you have to read from today's newspaper. Thanks for watching. Take care.